Just let that sit.
That's barely anything. Well, let's watch the bonnet out. If you want to do that on...
I might try to show it. It's kind of hard to maneuver into the
It's probably dirty.
spot. Since I have this tripod, I'll hold it up way high over the sink, and hopefully we'll catch it.
Just give what you can.
Yeah, I can't see the viewfinder, so I hope I'm aiming in the right direction.
It won't matter. It's dirty, trust me. Oh yeah, it's real dirty.
That's a good sprayer.
Oh yeah, it's real good. This is remember for pad cleaners, bonnet cleaners, this is what they call extraction. So it may not be where you're extracting with a van or a road doctor, but it's extracting.
Well, it works also because you're not putting very much moisture on the carpet.
No.
So when you put your pre-spray down, it's helping to break the bond of the chemical bond of the stain to the carpet fibers. So when you go over with the bonnet really is basically absorbing the chemical you put down plus the stain that's been released. If you tried to just scrub the carpets with just the bonnet and you didn't have any pre-spray down, you'd be able to get some of it to just rub off onto the bonnet, but it wouldn't work that good. The pre-spray really was what helps do everything.
Yep.
So we're coming in here.
That's a fact check. Okay, hang on.
Now this video is going to take 2 weeks to upload.
Good.
Yeah, we have a 768K maximum upload speed with our. When you live out in the middle of nowhere, we got like a 2.5 megabyte download max and a 768K upload max. So these videos here, they start to get to be an all week long event trying to get them uploaded. And we have a computer that you can't edit files on because it's not powerful enough. So we have to pretty much upload all of our files and then edit them with the YouTube video editor, which is not very full featured.
It's a work of love.
Yeah. So that's why our videos probably aren't as polished as some people's videos, but we just don't have the. I mean, it's like 100 miles to the nearest town that you would even consider a town that's worth stopping
This is a small city, and they got internet. They just don't have fast internet where we live.
Nope.
So, but it's like it works.
You can watch Netflix a little bit.
You can watch Netflix and do YouTube, and it's no problem. It's just when you try to upload, it's a problem.
But I think about 720p on a good day is about the most you're going to be able to pull from those connections. So it's kind of limited. There's no cable TV in this town. In fact, this town was far enough away back in the day, people couldn't even pick up TV stations from the nearest city with their antennas unless they had a real tall, super maximum antenna that was bolted to the side of their house.
There goes the rest of the red stain.
So back in the 70s, these people didn't have television, they didn't have anything.
No, and we're not from here. We moved out here from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Among other places, right?
We're here because we have family here, unfortunately, and that's why we're here. So we're not part of the whole Texas scene.
No, we're not from Texas.
We just happen to live here, and that's all there is to it.
I think we've picked up a little bit of the drawl and the. I know when we watch our videos, we slur a lot of our words together. We didn't used to be like that. It's just one of those things you pick up when you move to an area. We've lived here for 8 years.
Yeah, but we're not from Texas.
And it kind of rubs off on you.
We are never been or never will be Texans. Technically, if you're not born in Texas, you can't be a Texan anyway. They won't accept you.
No.
We're like foreigners. But you know, we get by. Maybe eventually we'll go back to New Mexico or maybe Los Angeles or something like that.
Alright, let's see where we're at. Any stains?
Hang on, I gotta get behind the door yet. I didn't forget.
There's some darker junk in here. This camera picks up things better than our old camera that we used to use did because there's little stains and stuff on the carpet that we could kind of see. Didn't used to show up on camera, but they show up plain as day with this camera.
There's a red stain right here where I'm at, and I got like 98% of it, 96% of it out.
You can still see a tint of red.
But I'm getting it. It's basically, I don't know.
I'm gonna move to that corner as soon as you get out of there, I think, so I can